It's another day with Prof. RSK. In our previous section, we talked about mixtures. We said when you have two different things or two same things and you bring them together, you form a mixture. For instance, water and milk, you form a mixture. Sand and water, you form a mixture. Now, after forming a mixture, because it is a physical process, we can use a physical means to separate them. A mixture can be separated by physical means, and the methods we have already discussed. Today we are looking at how to separate it, and our discussion today takes us to filtration. Filtration is a method of separating mixtures that has an insoluble part and then solvent. For instance, when you have garri and water mixed together, you use filtration to separate. Now, how is it done? So you join me even as we discuss. The items you will need are your funnel, you need your filter paper, you need a beaker, and then a container. It can be any of them. So when you have this one, you will now take your mixture, either sand and water or garri and water, any of the mixtures you have prepared. You will now pour your contents into your funnel, which has your filter paper. If you don't have your filter paper, you can also use handkerchief. You improvise handkerchief to do it. Now, after pouring the contents into it, the solvent or the liquid will pass through the funnel and be collected here as the filtrate. And then you have either your sand or garri remaining here as your residue. Now, it is a very simple process and it will not require a very complex thing in separating it. I want you to go through this setup, improvise one for yourself at home, and then you can send it to me on my WhatsApp number. I want you to keep trying and practicing till we meet again. It's bye.